fruits are doing very nicely. So many of them, all quite decent size as well. About the size of my thumb, most of them. One of them is ripe, nearly ripe. Just have to wait for the color to become a bit more vibrant red, then I can pluck that. His neighbor though, it's a bit stunted. You can see the stem is much thinner compared to this one. That one, it's much thinner, and the fruits, as you can see, are not very well. They look a bit odd. Yeah, still edible. A couple of them have ripened. I've already eaten some. Of course, it just tastes like tomatoes. Yeah, a bit stunted. So the fish are doing quite well. So many of them, and they're very active as well. What I'm going to do is I'm going to feed them a little bit. Not with pellets though. Sometimes I feed them with pellets. Today, I'm going to try and give them a bit of this. So this is called, I think it's, well, it has a proper name, but I know it as a water cabbage. The reason why I call it that is because it's, if I can get it in focus, its texture, well, it grows in water and it looks more like lettuce, to be honest, and it's quite squishy as well. So what I'll do is, using my finger, just tear small bits of it and just toss them to the fish. They seem to like this quite a lot actually, so let me break off a bigger piece and see if they will, well, go for it. Yep. Just give them another piece. As for the dogs, they are just relaxing. They've been playing in the rain actually because they are damp. In fact, our paws are exposed to the rain. Yes. Ooh, big sneeze.